this is amazing. 3 tandems. Oh, they are a bit slow. I think they're a bit slow for us. Oh, let's see how they go. Go say hello.
See you later.
See ya. Hi. How you going?
Going alright. How are you going?
Good. I just can't believe I found 2 other tandems.
It's not a common sight, is it?
No, it's not even a common sight to see any tourists on here at the